so the camera can see. Miles, Miles, Miles,
Where's the duck?
Miles.
Behind the red door?
Miles, Mama.
Miles, Summer.
Yay!
Miles.
You found the duck. Good listening. Let's see what's behind the other doors.
Mice, Summer.
Wait.
All right. You guys get 2 yellow tickets. Yay!
Miles.
Dora, do we have enough yellow tickets to win the big piñata? Let's see how many tickets we have. Count them.
Miles.